Away from that, Kenya is in the process of developing an aquaculture policy as the country seeks to ramp up fish production. The policy seeks to upscale aquaculture production and productivity in the culturing systems and improve aquaculture extension services and technology adoption. Sam Kidera, the Nyanza and Western region's fisheries director, says the policy will require regular capacity building for fish farmers to boost production as well as sensitization on aquaculture insurance.
Total fish production in 2023 was recorded at 161,308 metric tons by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. The total catch was valued at 36 billion shillings. However, the government says the country has the potential to produce 250,000 metric tons with proper breeding practices and storage facilities. Stakeholders in the aquaculture subsector have decried constant losses due to fish kills, as was witnessed in the past 3 years.
In 2022, we lost a lot of production amounting to almost 1 billion Kenya shillings.
And all this is happening without the intervention of the insurance sector.
Sam Kidera, the Nyanza and Western region's fisheries director, says an aquaculture policy is in the pipeline that will require regular capacity building for fish farmers to boost production as well as sensitization on aquaculture insurance.
As a government, we are committed to coming up with the best aquaculture policy as a priority to ensure that in the policy, all these particular issues are aspired and are addressed.
Kidera is also urging financial institutions and insurance companies to build insurance products tailored for the aquaculture subsector.
When aquaculture is intensified, there are other risks that comes with it. There will be diseases because of the high stocking densities. There will be a lot of issues on the feeds because 70% of our operating costs are feeds. So of course, when you are spending so much on those feeds, then they also come with their risks.
I think this is one of the things that has been missing for farmers. We have other industries that are insured, and we've seen how far the industries have gone.
For Channel 1, I am Wycliffe Okech.